Before leaving for his boxing match against Errol Spence Jr. in the U.S., Senator Manny Pacquiao exposed alleged irregularities in the Department of Social Welfare and Development. It involves DSWD's cash aid distribution under SAP or the Social Amelioration Program.
Mr. President, alam niyo po ba na sa kabuuang halaga na ito ay may inilaan na 50 billion pesos or more or less sa Department of Social Welfare and Development para lamang sa isang hindi po kilalang e-wallet na kung tawagin ay StarPay na may paid-up capital lamang po na 62,000 pesos.
Pacquiao claimed only 500,000 of the 1.8 million SAP beneficiaries were able to receive the money during the pandemic.
Mga hindi po nakakaalam, hindi ka po pwedeng mag-receive o mag-withdraw ng anumang halaga kung wala kang nada-download sa StarPay app.
Records, however, showed a total of 1.8 million beneficiaries got their ayuda from StarPay.
Anong nangyari sa 1.3 million katao na hindi naka-download ng StarPay app? Ngunit sa record po, nakatanggap na po sila ng ayuda.
Pacquiao refused to give details on the personalities involved, but he will be filing a resolution to have it investigated by the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee.
Yan po ang gusto kong itanong sa DSWD. Ang nawawala pong salapi ay 10.4 billion pesos po. Nasaan po napunta ang limpak-limpak na ayuda.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.